Annie Kilner believes Lauryn Goodman's move to Dubai is harassment. Lauryn Goodman is keen on starting a life abroad, but her antics are being labeled harassment by Kyle Walker's wife Annie Kilner. Lauryn, who shares 2 children with Manchester City star Kyle, is said to be looking into moving away from the UK for a fresh break. However, her revelation came just hours before it was announced the footballer has also expressed a desire for a new start abroad. Kyle's marriage to Annie is hanging by a thread, and it was thought any move for Kyle could help them make a fresh start of things with their 4 kids. His coach, Pep Guardiola, announced the defender was looking to leave the UK in a comment following his side's emphatic win over Salford in the FA Cup.